Is your garage door so noisy you can hardly stand it? Here's some reasons why it might be and what to do about it. Number 8, your spring could be broken. All of the weight of your garage door is handled by your spring. Some doors have one spring and others have two. If one of those springs gets broken, that means there's nothing to lift the weight of the door. So if you have a garage door opener, now your garage door opener is the thing that's carrying all the weight. If that's the case, two things are going to happen. 1, you're going to wear out your garage door opener much faster, and 2, it's going to make more noise because that opener is working a lot harder than it normally has to. To check and see if your garage door spring is broken, all you have to do is look at it, and if it's in two pieces like this, you need to get it replaced. Number 7, your garage door rollers are primarily responsible for moving the door up and down. There are little bearings inside of these rollers, and if you don't lubricate these rollers enough, then those bearings start to wear out, and it'll cause the rollers to not work properly and make lots of noise. Number 6, this is your horizontal track, and this is your vertical track. They meet at a point right here. If your tracks aren't aligned and one's sitting further back or further forward, then that can cause noise when the door moves up and down, because every time those rollers are going to go past it, they're going to jump on these tracks. To learn how to align your garage door tracks, watch this video. Number 5, if you have an overhead garage door opener, this arm attaches the door to the trolley, which is what runs back and forth on the rail here. You can lubricate this trolley piece and that can cut down on noise. These pins move when the door opens up and down. If they're a little rusty, they can cause some noise, and you can stop that by just spraying a little bit of lubricant in them. Number 4, all of the hardware on this door, including the hinges, the struts, and any brackets that are mounting anything, are all attached with these hinge screws. If any of these hinge screws are loose, that can cause noise. To fix that, you should be able to get a 7/16 wrench or a socket and just go through and lightly tighten each one of these on all of the hinges and anywhere you see one of those hinge screws. Number 3, the screws that mount these rails on the side and the rail bolts that attach the rails to the brackets here and down there. Yours might have a few more than mine does, but sometimes these rail bolts can get loose and these screws can get loose. And if that happens, then it's going to cause the rail to move back and forth, and that can cause noise. So you want to get a 7/16 wrench, again, just like you did with the hinges, and go over each one of these little rail bolts and the lag screw heads and just give them a quick turn and make sure that they're nice and tight. Number 2, the springs, hinges, and rollers is what moves the most on garage doors, and it's important that you lubricate them regularly and with the proper kind of lubricant. If you don't, that's going to cause noise. To learn how to lubricate your garage door properly and what type of lubricant to use, watch this video. And finally, number 1, if you have a chain driven operator, sometimes your chain can get loose and that can cause a lot of noise. You can see that my chain isn't loose, but if it was drooping all the way down here, what's going to happen is when I run the opener, this chain is going to vibrate and bang against the rail like this. If that's the case, you're going to want to tighten your garage door opener chain. To learn how to tighten the chain on your garage door opener, watch this video. If you're having these or other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, and you don't really want to try and tackle them yourself, please contact us today. We can help.